Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated steering wheel, a bedliner, and more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.